Non-Mendelian inheritance. Not always an easy relationship. The relationship between genotype and phenotype is rarely as simple as in the pea plant characteristics Mendel studied. Many heritable characteristics are not determined by only one gene with two alleles. However, the basic principles of segregation and independent assortment still apply even to more complex problems of inheritance. When Mendel doesn't work. Inheritance of characters or traits for a single gene may deviate from simple Mendelian patterns in the following three situations. 1. When alleles are not completely dominant or recessive. 2. When a gene has more than two alleles. And 3. When a gene produces multiple phenotypes. We should also add that the environment could play a role in how characters develop in the life of an individual. Complete versus incomplete dominance. What we have seen until now when studying Mendel's work is complete dominance. This occurs when the phenotypes of the heterozygote, for instance big P little p, and the dominant homozygote, big P, are identical. This is not the case in incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance, the phenotype of the F1 hybrids is somewhere between the phenotypes of the two parental varieties. In this case, we have white flowers crossing with red flowers to produce pink flowers. Blending versus incomplete dominance. This third phenotype results from the heterozygote having less red pigment than the red homozygote. This is not blending. If blending occurred, you would never be able to achieve the red and white traits from the pink hybrids. This is not the case. It is possible to obtain red or white offspring after crossing the two pink hybrids. So we want to stay away from this word blending because we don't want to imply that the actual genes get blended. Even though the colors look like they're mixing together, we would rather say that it's just having less red or less white. It's pink, it's somewhere in the middle, but we don't want to say blend.